At the height of the Cold War era, where track and wheel armor design still dominate the battlefield, Mowag Piranha has appeared as the perfect solution with lower procurement and maintenance costs. It is a platform that creates multitude of other battlefield vehicles from a single chassis, from infantry fighting vehicles, armored personnel carrier, general-purpose armored fighting vehicle, to command vehicle, reconnaissance, security, ambulance, etc. Remind a little about Mowag Company for your convenience. This is a Swiss company which develops, designs, and produces armored vehicles for military applications in both land-only and amphibious configurations. Mowag was founded in 1950 as a privately owned company by engineer Walter Wolf. During the past 50 years, Mowag has concentrated on the development and production of specialized vehicles. Since January 2004, Mowag has been a company within the General Dynamics European Land Systems Group and continues to operate as a Swiss company. The Mowag family of the armored vehicle since 1972 is an outstanding export success. In any model, Piranha has successfully completed its role. The vehicle is modularly designed and extremely flexible, and features allowing extensive tailorization for any customer, from the engine to the main armament. Customers can purchase the vehicle in a single configuration. During the operation, the vehicle can flexibly change its performance through conversion kits to suit other duties at low cost. The Mowag Piranha was exported to 21 countries and also largely built under license, as nowadays it is estimated that more than 10,000 Piranha-based vehicles are in service worldwide. This Mowag family has so many variants. Piranhas are available in 4x4, 6x6, 8x8, and 10x10 wheel versions. There are several variants within these versions, giving different degrees of armor protection and several kinds of turret for use in a variety of roles. The most famous of them all, the 8x8, is far the best known and most common. It is also perhaps the most produced 8x8 APC in the Western world, with more than 6,500 vehicles for this version alone. It can be said that Piranha is an influential design with dozens of licensed versions. It also inspired the development of similar vehicles over 5 continents. This includes the concept of rare infantry fighting vehicles and destroyers that are popular today in many armies, as they can replace costly amities in low-intensity conflicts and asymmetric warfare. Piranha is simply too flexible. Talking about all versions of this vehicle in a video is impossible, and we will gradually explore the variations of this great vehicle line in other videos. This video only provides the most basic information of this vehicle, so you have an overview of Mowag's family. All configurations follow a common outline, and there are many components shared by all models. The hull basically has an angular shape. The slope armor shape of the vehicle was not something new. However, some similar designs could be found with the American CZC M706 or Russian BTR. The hull was entirely made of welded RHA with an NBC lining and made amphibious with propellers. The nose design was characteristically multifaceted with a central spine and lateral polygons joining the nose to the equally highly sloped sides. The rear was slightly sloped downwards due to the presence of the main access doors. To avoid being torn in collisions or present a deadly threat to foot soldiers, the SG base was softened on the Piranha 3. The base armor only protected against small weapons fire at artillery shell splinters and was presumably of 6 to 8 mm, while the slopes made it artificially thicker. It was reinforced on later versions, especially on the front glasses against heavy machine gun rounds. Modular armor packages and add-on armor plates were also frequently seen with the Piranha 3. The driver and commander were seated on the left-hand side, one behind the other after the nose section, each with their own hatch dotted with 3 periscopes covering the frontal arc. The engine compartment was located on the right-hand side, with exhaust greens and cooling fans above. The transmission and gearbox were housed in the nose. The troop compartment was located behind, with the main weapon system housing in between, operated by one of the crew members. Cargo capacity was about 3 tons, and there was a carrying capacity of 5 to 6 fully equipped infantrymen, up to 15 to 16 on the Piranha 8x8. In the initial configuration, the vehicle was equipped with a 6-cylinder Mowag diesel engine, combined with Allison MT653 automatic 6-speed planetary gearbox. This powerful engine with 255 horsepower makes it possible to reach a top speed of 100 km per hour on a flat surface. The Piranha baseline vehicles have true propellers for water propulsion, with maximum speed in water of 10 km per hour, and an amphibious kit is provided for rough sea water operations. With 300 liters of diesel, it can operate within 780 km. The Piranha was designed as a state-of-the-art well-armored vehicle, capable of operating in terrain conditions that would stop many existing well-armored vehicles. The Piranhas could be armed with a wide variety of weapons, ranging from simple machine gun turrets to elaborate turrets with large caliber guns. It can be also fitted with external weapon stations, including some for anti-tank guided weapons, can be installed centrally on the hull roof. The larger models can mount a gun turret with up to 90mm guns, while the 10x10 model, first seen in 1994, can accommodate a 105mm tank gun turret. The 8x8 models can also accommodate a 105mm gun turret, with one model having a 120mm breech-loaded motor in a traversing turret. Lighter models can tow 120mm motors or air defense missile system trailers, such as those for British Aerospace General System. There are also recovery vehicle models, command posts, internal security, and multiple rocket launchers. Piranhas are used by the Swiss Army. Swiss-built Piranha derivatives have been exported to Sweden, Denmark, Ireland, Romania, Spain, and Belgium. The Romanian and Belgian armies have selected the Piranha 3C 8x8. Belgium converted to an all-wheel force and replaced all their M113s, armored infantry fighting vehicles, and Leopard 1 with 268 Piranha 3C in 7 variants. Piranha derivatives have been manufactured under license by General Dynamics of Canada, BAE Systems Land Systems of United Kingdom, Cadwell and Fame of Chile, and in the USA. The 8x8/25 family in service with the USMC was derived from the AVGP variants of the Piranha 6x6 built by GM Defense. The Australian Defence Force also had its own modified version of the Lab 25 8x8, known as the ASLAB Taiwan. The ASLAB is operated by 2 cavalry regiments and is used in the armor reconnaissance and armor personnel carrier roles. My video of Mowag Piranha ends here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again.